Hello everyone, in this video we are solve this math Olympiad question. M square minus n square is equal to 49 and mn is equal to what? But here is mn is natural number. So how to solve this question? M square minus n square is equal to 49. So we know that the identity, it will be a square minus b square. It will be a plus b times a minus b. Yes. So according to this identity, according to this formula, I can easily this equation, look, m square minus n square, it will be m plus n times m minus n is equal to 49. Yes. So look, it will be m plus n times m minus n is equal to 49. I just use this identity in this case. Okay. Now at this moment I can say that here is m plus n and here is m minus n. So here is m plus n always greater than or equal m minus n. Yes, I can say that here is m plus n greater than or equal m minus n. So here is 49. So if I use, if I find out the factor in this case, so I can say it will be 1 times 49. Yes, 1 times 49, it will be 49. And again I can say that 49 times 1, it is also 49. And we know that 7 times 7, it will be 49. But if I follow this condition, this time I can say that look, here is 1, so 1 less than 49, but this greater than or equal this, so I can't follow this value. Yes, I rejected this value. But here is, look, 49 times 1, so 49 always greater than 1. So I can say easily m plus n, it will be 49, m minus n, it will be 1. And again here is 7 always equal to 7. Yes, so we are find out here is two condition. Our first condition, look, here is m plus n is equal to 49. This time m minus n is equal to 1. Yes, and we'll find out others condition. It will be m plus n is equal to 7. Yes, m plus n is equal to 7. This time m minus n is equal to also 7. So at this moment we are find out what is the value of m and n, this both equation. Okay, so first of all, this is our first equation, this is our second equation. So if I add both equation, here is, so I can say that m plus m, it will be 2m. Yes, then if I add, look, this is positive, this is negative, so this cancel. We'll find out here is 49 plus 1, it will be 50. Now at this moment if I divide both sides by 2, these two cancel. We'll find out here is m is equal to 25. Yes, so we know that here is m minus 1 is equal to 1, so we'll find out m is equal to 25. Okay, so our other equation, m minus n is equal to 1, so m minus n is equal to 1. So here is m is equal to 25. This one, if I move on this side, it will be negative, and this n move on this side, it will be positive. So I can say easily here is n is equal to 24. So we'll find out again here is n is equal to 24. So when m is equal to 25, this time n is equal to 24. So our answer m n, it will be 25 and 24. Yes. But others case, look, here is m plus n is equal to 7, m minus n is equal to 7. So at this moment again if I add both equation, we'll find out generally here is 2m and then cancel, we'll find out here is 14. Then if I divide both side by 2 to cancel, and we'll find out here is m is equal to 7. Yes, we'll find out here is m is equal to 7. So when m is equal to 7, yes, in this case we'll find out our other answer, m is equal to 7, and here is m plus n is equal to 7. So I can say that m plus n is equal to 7. Then if I put the value of m, here is 7 plus n is equal to 7. Then I can say this n, it will be 7 minus 7. I just move on this 7 inside. then it will be 0. So we are finding out n is equal to 0. So I can say easily, here is when m is equal to 7, this time n is equal to 0. Yes. Now let's check out our question is m square minus n square is equal to 49. This is our question. Yes, but we'll find out here is m is equal to 25. So 25 square minus 24 square. So we know that 25 square will be 625 minus 24 square, it will be 576. So if I subtract both, we are find out here is 49. So I can say that m is equal to 25 and n is equal to 24. This is our right answer. And others case, look, we know that here is m square, it will be 7 square minus n square, it will be 0 is equal to 49. So we know that 7 square, it is always 49. So 49 is equal to 49. So I can say 70, it is also our others right answer. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Goodbye, take care.